Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA TV stand 3775. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part 1, the base, and 4 parts K, our little feet. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll need a part from step 1, as well as one part B, one part H, 3 parts Q, 3 parts P, and 3 parts N. We'll also need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part C and 3 parts M. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part D, one part E, as well as 4 parts L. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assemblies, as well as one part I and one part O. Let's go ahead and assemble now. On our TV bracket side, you'll notice that there are hooks here, as well as the cutouts on the stand. Let's go ahead and set the appropriate height that we choose now. For our next step, we'll be preparing our TV space. So for that, we'll need two parts F. Something to take note of is the arrow indicates the top side of the TV. We'll also include in the pack all the necessary adapter screws to accommodate different TV types, as well as the various spaces. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our example, we'll be using MG, MD and ME. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing two parts G. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing two parts J, our cable management clips. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our LSA TV stand 3775. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.